Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cher. So as you can see, I'm getting ready to do another fairy garden. This is going to be another kind of Hawaiian tropical themed fairy garden, as you can see from these plants that I've chosen to go with. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using all of them today, but definitely wanted to have some options. So this is what I plan on putting my fairy garden in, this great big metal galvanized tub. And as you can see, I've put a bunch of empty cans and just different things in here that I had in my recycling bin. I wanted to fill this up a little bit because I don't want to have to put so much potting soil in here that way. I know that my scene is going to be kind of more centered here at the front, and then I'm going to be putting my plants around the back. So that's why I've left a lot of space for the roots in the back there. And the star of this little garden is going to be this water feature. I've had this little waterfall for quite some time. I've used it many times before. And yeah, I can't wait to put it into this big tub. I think this is going to be the perfect size. So I'm just going to let the camera roll. So here we go. So here is my little tropical oasis fairy garden. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so happy with the way this one turned out. I love this water feature. I've had this piece for a while, and anytime I get a chance to use it, I love being able to do that. Anytime you hear running water, it's just so relaxing. I basically just did this all beach because I figured if you kind of use your imagination, this would all be ocean out front here. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of keep it more of a beach scene. And I've had this little tiki bar for quite some time. And so a lot of these pieces, actually, I got these at Michael's a few years ago, and I just never got around to using them. So I'm so happy that I finally got to do that. You did notice that I put some little fairy lights in here, so I'll be able to light this up at night. And I think I might even put 1 or 2 solar lights in here as well. I can just charge those up during the day, and then put them back onto their little stand, and then at night this will glow. And I think this is going to be so cute here at my back entrance. We use this one quite often as well at night after we go for walks and stuff. So this will be here to, greet us when we come home. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me put this little fairy garden together, and I hope this has inspired you to make something for yourself as well. And until next time, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now, everybody.